For this video, we decided to present two opposing views, although honestly, I'm not convinced you can say anything good about this company.
Dewmar International is a brand management services company specializing in beverage manufacturing but looking to expand its portfolio.
Well, it's also a pink sheet residing in Double Zero Land and hasn't released a financial report since 2013. If that doesn't rattle you up, I don't know what will. There's an obvious reason why such companies are called risk-filled. After all, no information is equal to no proper due diligence.
On the plus side though, after a very long silence, Dewmar CEO Dr. Marco Moran released a letter to shareholders that detailed what's been going on with the company in the last year. The letter was released on November 10th and it had such a big impact on the company's popularity that share price has increased almost 4 times since, going from 0.0014 to 0.0066. The letter itself is quite lengthy and contains some of the highlights around Dewmar's performance, perhaps the biggest of which is Dr. Moran's claim that the company has no new or outstanding toxic financing facilities, which is a big step considering Dewmar's past.
Well, to this I want to say that until there's a properly filed and audited financial report, anything Mr. Moran says is not supported by any facts. What is supported by facts is something that most investors who believe the letter ignore. Between November 14, 2013 and September 30, 2014, the company's outstanding share count grew from 1 billion to nearly 2.4 billion. Take a moment to swallow the scale of the delusion we're talking about here. If this is indeed Dewmar sweating out the toxic financing out of its system, then we have who knows how many shares that were issued at possibly ridiculous prices. But we can't even know this for sure since there are no reports from 2014.
In spite of what you say though, the company signed an accounting firm called Malone Bailey, so perhaps we can expect updated reports sooner rather than later.
Well, you just highlighted this because there's nothing else substantial to say about the company. This is Martin Nadenov.
And this is Simona Dolceva for Hotstock.com.
I have a small amount of money to invest and I want to gamble in the market. I'm looking for a penny stock that'll go up and turn it into $100,000 or $1 million.